Hi everyone, Paula Hart here from HartPartners, going through tax tip number 2 for getting ready for 30 June 2019 for small businesses. This tip is about the small business $30,000 immediate write-off of assets. So if you purchase an asset under $30,000, that's $30,000 plus GST if you're registered for GST, or it's under $30,000 if you're not registered for GST. If it's $30,000 above, you have to depreciate the asset. What it means is it's just accelerating the depreciation on that item. So you're getting immediate write-off. It came into effect of April 2019 at 7:30 p.m. and runs through to 30 June 2020. So the good news is it's available all of next financial year. There is sometimes some confusion. Some people think that you're going to get that money back from the ATO. That's not the case. It's a tax deduction, which means if you've made $100,000, you purchased an asset for $20,000, you will pay tax on the $80,000. So in effect, you're getting, if you're a small company and you're taxed at the 27.5 cents in the dollar, you're getting the tax deduction of 27.5% on the $20,000. So hopefully that was helpful. Comment below if you'd like to know more. Always feel free to call me. Otherwise, I'll see you next time for tip number 3.